This is the second video in the 4x4 Beginner's Guide to Solving. You definitely want to watch the last video where I talk about where the colors need to go for your centers. So we're going to start with looking for solving our white center. And if you remember from the last video, the white center can go anywhere. It's not like the 3x3 where we knew that the white one was this one because it was in the center. We have to make our centers. So I'm going to look for other white pieces in the centers of the other pieces that I can bring up to line up with this one. So I actually already see that, and I kind of mentioned earlier that I'm not really looking for diagonals. I really want to get them right next to each other, okay? So here was the white piece that I had, and I happened to see that I had this white piece down here. All I really need to do is bring that white piece up, and I have those two here. The next thing I want to do is I want to get two white pieces together on another side that I can then bring into here later. So if I'm looking at these other two diagonal ones that I had, I could pull this one up into place right here, and then I have three, but I still need to get a fourth one. So what I'm actually going to do, notice that these were diagonal here, but if I move this white one away, if I turn this face, because what I really want, if I have this white one here, I could put the white one here and then turn them and bring them down. I'll show you that in a second. I'm gonna move that one away for a second where I just have this one. Notice if I turn the cube here, now I can put that one that I just moved back, I can pull that one back up. And now I have these two white ones here, okay? I've got my two white ones that I started here, and I have these two here. Now, there's nothing I can do right now. I can only bring down one at a time. So if I turn this one more time, this top layer, okay? Now I have these two here and these two here, so I can just bring those together, okay? And that's just getting my very first center, which is gonna be my white. The next one that I'm gonna wanna do is my yellow, which I'm going to need to put on the bottom. Remember, I can start by putting it over on any other side, but I need to eventually pull them down into the bottom. So that is gonna be my next video.